Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2011 Buick Enclave CXL. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, as well as dual sunroof, rear entertainment DVD package with third row seating, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black interior with paneling and storage on the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows with the seat memory and wood and chrome accents. And here we're going to have leather heated seats, super comfortable. And left side will be your vents with your lighting control. And left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, with the right side being your voice recognition and volume control. And onto the radio, it's just your classic AM/FM radio with auxiliary and as well as DVD. And down below, you're going to have the climate controls as well as the odometer cluster. That's going to give you all your gauges and trip info. And as well as a power liftgate trailering mode, and as well as the heated seats with a 12-volt DC port, your shifter, and right here, oops, this slides back for a little extra storage right here. Slides up, a little extra storage in there. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, wood and chromes all the way across there, and you're gonna have a clock right there. Speakers up top, just access read lamps, and your power sliding sunroofs. So you're gonna need these 19-inch wheels on Goodyear Assurance tires with paint match mirror caps and chrome door handles, luggage side rail up top. Coming to the back, dual exhausts. In the back you got the third rows that fold down as well. In the third rows, you're gonna have cup holders and speakers right on the sides, as well as vents and lamps up top. It's a pretty spacious rear. More of the rear interior, you get more paneling and storage thanks to speaker with the cup holders and power windows. The second row captain seats, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear climate controls, as well as you're going to have the headphone jacks with your red, white, and yellow ports with the AC wall port as well. You got the Panasonic. Oops, goes back down. Lamps up top, the sunroof right above you. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2011 Buick Enclave CXL, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, backup camera, third row seating, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.